Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to withdraw money from Whoop content rewards. If you have been using the Whoop and you have got your content reward and now you want to withdraw that amount, so I'll show you the easiest way to do it. First, you have to make sure you have logged into your Whoop account on a web browser and you're onto your home page. And once you get to your home page, then you will get this interface, or maybe you see your post. From the left side, you have to click onto your profile. Once you get there, then this option you have to click on, which is the balance, and you will find your balance there that you can withdraw. But before, you have to verify your account. If you have verified, then this withdraw option will be enabled. You can just simply click onto it and get your amount. So I have just restarted the verification process. So I'll show you how easily you can get verified and get your withdrawals. So just simply click on set up payment method. And first you have to simply select your country and click on next. Then another tab will open where you have to add all of your information like your name, your address, and your payment method. The payment method will be your payout method where you can get your withdrawals. So just simply add whatever this asks. Like if you're a business or an individual, so you can choose as per your preferences. And after that, you have to add your further details. Make sure you add all of the information correct, otherwise you may not get your payout or you will be not able to get the withdrawals. So just simply add all these details, and after that you have to simply add your payout details from where you will get your payment. So make sure to add the correct payout, otherwise you may not get your withdrawals. Then it will take you back. Now the verification will just take few hours, and once it's done, you have to click onto this withdraw option and you will be able to withdraw your content rewards. So that's how you can withdraw money from Whop content rewards. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.